All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in an old school 1946 Ford Super Deluxe. This thing's still got the original flathead in it. It's a 239 V8. They call it a 59 AB motor, but this is really a great car, man. 3 on the tree, but for being original, it just drives good. Somebody did a nice job going over this car. The only upgrade it has, it's got a 12-volt system in it, so you can run, it's got a kicking stereo. Really nice stereo, and the guy paid a lot of money for that. So it sounds good. And then you can play your Frank Sinatra or whatever. And it's got disc brakes up front. So it stops good, steers good, newer tires, really nice interior. Actually, the bucket seats are comfortable. It's got a little cup holder, a little added gauge down here just for, it's kind of nice to have an extra gauge just to know what's really going on, you know, temperature wise. Kind of cool. I get used to this 3 on the tree stuff, man. But the dash is beautiful. A little pinstriping on it. All the gauges work. Gas gauge works. Of course, being an old original car, just runs on pump gas. The gearing's pretty good, so you can cruise right along. I mean, you probably be in slow lane on the freeway if you want to go to a cruise night in the next town or something, but it's okay, man. People used to drive these things every day. You just take your time with these things, you know? Drive them slow, have fun, cruise, wave at all the people that are waving at you. But all the chrome is nice, really solid body, all the doors fit good, the glass is good. I mean, everything about it's really, you know, oh, and they also added wipers. These things actually didn't come with wipers, if you can believe that. Look at that, it even downshifts. That transmission feels good. All right, well, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna take some more pictures and some more video and give you a closer look at it. All right, we're gonna walk around this really cool fat fendered Ford 1946 Ford Super Deluxe. This one's kind of a little bit of a stalker. It's got the original 239 flathead in it, 59 AB motor, 3 on the tree. It drives really good. I've had a lot of these old cars. It's like, oh man, it's a chore to drive. Not this one. It handles good, it steers good. It's got disc brakes up front. It's got those 15-inch Moonies, so it gives a little bit of a hot rod look. Some custom pinstriping. Paint and body are nice. Nice and solid. I don't see any bubbling or rusting. I think it's a real good car overall. Probably a good car when they started, when they went ahead and redid it. But all the stainless and the trim is in good shape. All chrome is beautiful. It's got that split windshield. It's custom striping. Really dig that. It's pretty cool. It's got a little bit on the dash too. So inside they modernized it a little bit, you know, put a different upholstery in there, some comfortable seats, little power seats, little armrests, they got cup holders. The back seat's in good shape, probably never really been sat in since it was built. But the dash is all original looking. All the chrome is in good shape, all the gauges work. Got a kicking stereo. This guy, he's an older guy, but he put a system in it, man. It sounds really good. When he pulled up, he's all cranking his Frank Sinatra, and the whole neighborhood could hear it. I'm like, oh, that's cool, man. It's got a sub in the trunk. It's a few grand anyway. Steering wheel's in good shape, and they did a 12-volt conversion. So this thing can run all those gauges, the stereo, you know, it's a lot better. They start faster. Everything about a 12 volt is better than a 6 volt. But good looking car. All right, here's the power plant in the 46 Ford Super Deluxe. Look at that, man, block of iron. It's a flathead Ford V8, 239. 59 AB is the model number for this motor. It's got an updated carburetor, still a little guy though. It runs real good. It's got a 12 volt system, so now it's got an alternator on there instead of a generator. All the wiring is all new in there. It's got a little trophy VIN there on the firewall, but the real VIN is stamped down there on the chassis, so there's no problem as far as getting it registered or anything like that. Just some people like to have the VIN up high so you can see it. We're gonna go ahead and fire this one up for you. Look at that, man. Pretty cool. These motors, man, there's a lot of guys that like flatheads too. And remember, my dad used to like them. He used to shape the head, get a little more horsepower out of them. But pretty cool. And the 3 on the tree, takes getting used to, but most of the guys that are looking at this car know how to drive a 3 on a tree. But with the Moonies and everything, and a nice dual exhaust going all the way out the back, look at that. Sounds pretty good, man. So it doesn't break the bank to own a car like this. You can take a car like this to the car show. Everybody else is spending 100 grand. You're spending less than 30. You can't beat that. So if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Hopefully it's like this when you come out. It's nice and sunny and beautiful today. And I'd be happy to show you the car. We have some financing choices. We have some shipping. You know, we take trades, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching.